cough, fever and 5 medicines are there in this prescription. Let's decode them. Paracetamol is the comforter, brings fever and body aches down. Use only one fever syrup at a time. Many combinations have already paracetamol. Mefenamic acid is the backup when the fever stays high despite paracetamol. Give only as advised, preferably with food. Montelukast+Levocet combination is an allergy, night cough or wheeze calmer. Can cause sleepiness sometimes. If you notice mood or sleep changes, talk to your doctor. Enterogermina is a probiotic which helps the gut during illnesses or along with antibiotics. Albendazole is a deworming medicine. This is a one-time medicine after food on a scheduled day. Skip if the child is actively vomiting. The day plan is mentioned as fluids, rest, light food, smoke-free room. Also mentioned is that to get urgent care if fast breathing, ribs pull in, bluish lips, very sleepy, seizures or fever more than 5 days.